Need to type with one hand on your iPhone? The one-handed keyboard feature makes typing easier when you're using your phone with just one hand. Let's get started. Open any app where you can type example messages or notes. Tap on the text field to bring up the keyboard. Press and hold the globe icon or the smiley face or emoji icon if you're using an emoji keyboard. A menu will pop up with three options: left, center, and right. Select left or right to shift the keyboard to one side for easier one-handed typing. The keyboard will adjust to the side you selected, making it more comfortable to type with your thumb. Solution 2. Switch back to standard keyboard. To return to the full-sized keyboard, simply press and hold the globe icon again. Select the center option and your keyboard will go back to the default position. By following these steps, you can easily enable and use the one-handed keyboard on your iPhone. If this guide helped you, don't forget to subscribe for more iPhone tips and stay tuned for the next video.